Be nice, you're on.
Do not. Do not pull that rod back.
They were scrolling and jumping in the water. Did you see them?
You had more than one feet, don't.
I saw three jump into the water. That's when I let that one way out. I got the pressure on him. I do not let the pressure on. Look at him. We caught his way out there.
Probably, I'm in the way.
I went to the butt this time.
Excitement wearing off a little bit?
No. Oh. I'm just bringing his ass in. He's a big one! Justin, he's a big one!
You're not hitting that top with that rod. Cut the line.
Wrapped up in a couple.
Underneath them.
Anyone know about a better family plan out there?
It's a ball!
Watch that knife. Watch that knife by your foot. Wow.
She's gonna, when she gets that fish in the boat, she's gonna back up against that tree and we're gonna jam it. We get the two of them.
Watch out for that gas. It's wild.
Everything is first come, first served. Everything is clearing in back up.
Just slide out of my way. Oh, there's a big one!
Cooler's open.
There's a big one! I'm gonna hold him like that.
Pull that box of bait out of the way. This thing hurts you.
Get this damn thing back out! Get this
Oh my
back out!
God.
Hurry up, there's a schooling! Get it out!
What?
It ain't gonna be no faster. You get that artificial bait.
It's a big boy! Oh my God!
Well, you made up for the ones.
Maybe they were schooling. We got to turn around.
That thing is huge.
Woo! Let us at them.
Alright, let's head back in now. Just kidding. No, not yet. He's still splashing around.
Adrenaline pumping.
Arms hurting.
I have never seen them jump. Why do you want to jump saw three jump out.
There was two fish on.
Three different ones. At the same time. Hey, that's actually a flying bird.